PLUG stock analysis and PLUG stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Especially here with Plug Power with a 95% correction, man, like 10% up. All I'm looking to do is just not buy, especially now. Look, I've done 41,000 videos over 5 years. I've seen what's working for me and what's not, but it's taken me 5 years to come to this point. And mainly whilst I've been following PLUG, the first bearish sign, man, began here, you know, and this was, look, when it was $3.29 at the time, 10 months ago. All that to say, if there's no sort of double break here, then I'm not gonna look to sell. I mean, people are overcomplicating stuff, man, but that double break will like literally mean breaks beneath these lows. And if not, it's good. I guess I'm not gonna be trading this. But when is it gonna be a buy, mate? That's why I will continue to keep you updated with the current amount of data that I have. That's how it looks like for me. And guess what? I have so many previous receipts as well in the Discord. So if you want to learn how I make you 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.